Today we are going to be making slime. The ingredients that you're going to need are some beads, some white glue, some staling solution, some baking soda, and some water. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to put your beads in a bowl, and we're going to fill this up with some white glue. I got this at the dollar store. It came with 2 in a package, so that was a great deal. And we're going to pour the glue in our bowl. And we're going to put some water in that bowl too. Okay, then mix it up till it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to add a pinch of baking soda, and now if you're deciding to make it a different color, you can add your food coloring right now. And today I'm going to be making mine green. So let's put some food coloring in here. Now we're going to add our staling solution. We're only going to be add a couple drops because if you add too much, your slime, after you make your slime, it will sweat afterwards, and that's why you only add a little bit. About that much for the amount of slime that I'm making today. And I used about a tablespoon of glue and a tablespoon of water if you're wanting to know. And then just a pinch of baking soda. And now we're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, so my slime has been resting for about 5 minutes, and now it's starting to turn into slime. It's a lot thicker. And now you can add some more staling solution. The same amount of how much we put whenever it was resting. Once it turns into slime, you're going to add a few more drops of staling solution. And now you're ready to play with it. You're going to need to knead this with the hands so it doesn't stick as much. And if it's super sticky, then you can add a couple more drops of the staling solution. You have your slime. And for storing your slime, you can keep it in a Ziploc bag that's airtight, or you can stick it in a container.